Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is, where should we be focusing in 2026? We can no longer be just resilient and efficient. Although critical, it's not going to get us there. Instead, we need to be scalable and forward-looking. So what do we need to do? There are 3 key areas. Number 1 is we need to be looking for collaborative strategic partnerships and vertical integration. Number 2, we need to be looking at SIOP, sales inventory operations planning, and utilizing advanced planning techniques so that we can optimize across our sites and our business. Number 3, we need to be looking at upgrading dramatically talent, technologies, and the tools that they use. So from that point of view, we need to be thinking about AI, artificial intelligence, better utilizing ERP with foundational programs such as like MRP. But we have to take it to another level and bring our teams forward. It's the only way we will be successful. And since the winners are going to separate from the losers in 2026, join the winning crowd.